Where accuracy drives outcomes and consistency protects reputations, precision leads. That's the Prodieco standard. For over 60 years, Prodieco has been the trusted partner to the world's leading pharmaceutical companies, and the name behind Blister tooling solutions that deliver confidence, performance, and consistency where it matters most. Our legacy is built on engineering excellence, our future on relentless innovation. Every Prodieco solution begins with precision, shaped by quality and built through collaboration. We take the time to understand each customer's environment, challenges, and goals so we can engineer solutions that fit seamlessly and perform without compromise. Our expert teams are with you at every step, offering dedicated support before, during, and after delivery. Prodieco operates on a global scale, with strategically located manufacturing operations delivering precision wherever our customers are. With 30,000 square meters of vertically integrated production and more than 70 CNC assets, ranging from 5-axis milling to wire erosion, every process is guided by expert hands and lean manufacturing principles. Each component is crafted for consistent performance, ensuring every solution integrates seamlessly, runs reliably, and meets the highest standards without compromise. Before a single tool reaches your line, it's tested and validated in our dedicated centers of excellence, TechLab and FeederLab. With over 25 blister packaging lines, we replicate full-scale production environments to rigorously evaluate every format, feed system, and material configuration. It's our guarantee that every solution is verified, refined, and made production ready without ever impacting your production time. With a global footprint and dedicated local support, including Prodieco USA, we're always close to those who rely on us. From tablet handling systems to blister tooling and beyond, our solutions are trusted by pharmaceutical manufacturers to perform across all makes and models of blister packaging lines. Wherever performance matters, Prodieco delivers. Ready to elevate your production? Contact Prodieco today.